Good morning, ladies and gents. Welcome to the week ahead video brought to you by Synergy Markets. My name's Stephen Melly. So first up, we have AUD CAD. Let's have a look on a bigger time frame, what we can see. Oh dear, excuse the yawning. So here we go. This is my approach to market. So I look 3 phases. You can see these phases here. You've got 1, 2, 3. And on the flip side, you've got a 1, you've got a 2, and we're waiting for the 3 on this side. So without going into too much detail, this diagram is the thing I'm going to get tattooed on my eyeballs. I don't need to because I know it now. I know it enough. And it looks so simple. You're like, what? Is that random or is that real? No, folks, this is real. This is a real simplified version of what it is I do. So if you write that down, maybe it's a good exercise to write that down on a bit of paper. And as we go through the charts, you'll be able to see what I'm looking at. You can kind of see it here, 1, 2, 3. It's never going to be presented to you in the nicest of ways because the market doesn't want you to make money. So on this one, we're expecting a move lower. That will be some weaker CAD, some stronger CAD going on. No, it'd be weaker CAD because the weaker AUD. Apologies, what we're talking about is too early. On the bigger time frame, is there anything going for us here? Not really. It's all a bit of a mess back here, but you can see the diagram 1, 2, 3. You can see it here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. You can see it here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Are we going to get a massive pullback? We'll wait and see. Notice the harmonics in blue: A, B, C, D. A, B equals C, D nearly, and we have also this A, B equals C, D down to here. Obviously went past it. People that trade the exact D point are a little bit naive. You need to wait for price to do this sort of thing around the D point. Okay, moving on, folks. Not too clear, but here's one we sent on. Here's one we sent to both groups, standard and premium. What's the methodology behind this one, Steve? Let's have a look. There's a little diagram of what we are looking up. So we saw on the way up, we saw 1, we saw 2. Peak. This is a big 1. I initially thought this was 2, and it did play out like 1, 2, 3 to the low. Gave us a bottom. Looked like the bottom was in 3 hits to the low, but lo and behold, it was just the second zone of consolidation. Now, notice with harmonics, you have these blue swings. They're all the same in length. So you hazard a guess that well, it's already played out quite nicely, but that is a bit of a bottom print for me. Right, now we're zooming in. What can we see? So I see this as just a massive consolidation zone. I can see that we've had push 1, push 2, and push 3 make a consolidation zone. And here I am seeing the beginnings of another pattern. It's just so subtle, guys. So subtle, and it's in front of you. It's always been there. It's like the universe. It's always been there. Where did it come from? No idea who decided on this. It's just always been there. So we got 1, 2, 3 to the low, double bottom, and now we're counting 1, 2, and anticipating the 3. That is the trade. Knowing where you are on the daily, okay, we're in the peak low. Knowing what's come before that of harmonics and levels, now we're zooming in and we've really narrowed it down to 3 pushes counter trend, double bottom, 1, 2, anticipating the 3rd. That is it. Sounds simple enough, but there's too many moving parts to make it simple. You need to do at least 10,000 hours, like flying a plane. You've got to go pilot school for 6 years or whatever it is. You fly the plane, you get thousands of hours under your belt, and then you become captain and start cruising. That's where we all want to be. Right, AUD, NZD, another one, a bit trickier, to be honest. On the way up here, we have a clear consolidation here. Was this consolidation? It didn't appear to me. It just appeared that we had one level of consolidation. So I think that they created a reset here because we haven't had the rest of the pattern. But what this one is shouting out to me is a massive drop. The pattern on the way up, 1, 2, 3. And on the way down, this is all lower lows and lower highs. I wouldn't call those consolidations. So this whole thing is a consolidation zone. And I expect it to follow my little peach sort of drawing here. But we did have 1, 2, 3 here. And I thought there was a chance that we would kick on. Maybe there is still. But ultimately, this is a short. We're looking for shorts in line with the market cycle. We have had 1 week, 2 weeks. It's given us a 3rd weekly low, and we pulled away. So there's no trade really for me on that. AUD, USD, this is one of the best proponents of the market cycle out there. Huge, huge pattern. You can see on the map where we are. The pattern moves like this, okay? So on the map, we are in the 2nd zone of consolidation, just here. So we've just made a break and a retest. I'm looking for shorts. It does mean US dollar strength, unless we're going to get a tap of this 800 EMA. Something's going to happen with AUD. Something's going to happen with AUD, either a rate cut or lower inflation print. We'll have to wait and see. CAD CHF, not much to say or do on there, just a massive ABCD. We've stopped below. Not really a setup I'm looking at. I'm looking for pairs that behave and are predictable. Euro AUD, let's have a look at you. You've been fantastic. Where are you? Here we are. So here's the whole pattern. You've got level 1, level 2 peak. You've got level 1, level 2, and nearly a peak. But I think the pattern shifted now. I think all of this is level 1, and this is the start of a level 2 consolidation, because you have to remember the previous peaks up here, so there's plenty to go. And I can only see 1, 2 pushes out of consolidation, so I am anticipating a third. If we zoom down to here, you can see the counter trend move was in a 1, 2, 3 to the low. We have made money here. We've made money here to here. And I also sent trade up here, and it gave us 15 or 25 and then pulled back. But we pulled back in the 1, 2, 3 manner with a bit of a double bottom. There's massive expectation that this is going to push higher. For me, this is a level consolidation. We are expecting higher pushes, higher prices. That's it. Euro CAD is a stunner. If we have a look on the daily, we can see that familiar old pattern. We know where we are. We know not what to do. The only doubt for me is this fair value gap, really, from testing here to here. It hasn't been tested. It's a bit of a void. Will that happen first? Maybe, but we are showing tendencies of high highs, high lows, and we're holding the lows at the minute. Is there anything here for us? We had the 3 to the low, 1, 2, 3. We haven't really managed to manipulate this high much, only with 2 equal highs. So for now, it's a pass. Euro NZD, very similar to Euro AUD, but just bumbling along at the minute, not convincing me one way or another that it's worthy. It could be the second zone of consolidation, or it could be the first point of the peak with another one to match. Don't know. Bit of a tricky trade. Euro USD, we had fun with this. We had a TP1 on it. We'll set up level 1, level 2 on the way down. Huge level 1 on the way up. 1, 2, what I can count so far. We've got a 1 and a 2. The only thing is, are we going to come back down and test this? I am anticipating a big surge higher. Could be wrong. But this is all beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. So we got 1, 2, 3. Made a change, break a structure, retest, entry, another go. Break a structure, retest, entry around here, or if you're brave down here or off the 50 EMA, if you know how to do that. Then what we did, we took out the previous last lower high here with a change and a break. And this is going to continue higher, folks. This is one to really load your pennies up onto, in my opinion. Okay, moving on. GBP AUD. What are you doing? This one served us brilliantly as well. Very clear market cycle. Level 1, level 2. 1, 2. Is it going to give us 1/3 final push? Perhaps. Let's wait and see on that. GBP CAD is a thing of beauty as well on the daily. Level 1, level 2. We're just sort of hugging the 50 at the minute. And if we get a close up here, that's good night. We're going to be flying, waiting for it. Waiting for longs. It's a tricky pair because it moves so aggressively. At the minute, we haven't really done what I would like to do. So until it does stuff I'd like to do, I'm not going to touch it. GBP CHF, this is one that, I mean, personally, I really like the way it's playing out. Let's give you an idea on the structure. Level 1, level 2, peak. Massive level 1 consolidation. And we're just here where the arrow points. But when we come onto the lower time frame, you can see why it's exciting. So you can see we had the previous lower high, we worked it with a change, and then we broke that change, retest twice. And for me, this is going to break up here and clear out all of this red. It looks like a really good setup. GBP USD, we killed it on here as well. We got in. Did we get in? We got in here and took all of that. That was a 100 pip move. Trickier trade because we are at a... We've done 3 pushes to clear, whereas in EU, we're only here. So, oh, I've got such an itchy nose, Jesus. Excuse me. ABCD has been complete, is kind of being respected to a point. It looks to me like we're topping on that. So with that in mind, there's not going to be any longs for me coming out of that. So moving on, NZD CAD. NZD CAD still at the lows of level 1 consolidation, not doing much more for me there. So we wait. NZD USD is similar to AUD USD, level 1, level 2. We're looking for shorts, but at the minute we've made a change to the last lower high and we're looking to break the change. And that's the key to the universe, really. Gold. We got in gold. We got a TP1 out of gold. Did we get TP1 or did we get 35 pips or dollars, I've forgotten. Gold's really nice. Why is it nice? It's nice because it's showing me structure. We got this level 1, we got this level 2, and we spike the highs. But now, because we've melded together consolidations, I'm not as keen. But we did make the... Oh, no, actually, we haven't. Not mad for it, but we had super success from here. This was one of our best trades. We got in and down here, and we had all of this. This was a joy to behold. 300 pip move. Why is it so exciting? It's exciting because it's on the weekly chart. You see the true opportunity. This is level 2 rise, folks. We're coming into level 2 consolidation. We've had one. We're waiting for level 2. Level 2 was here last time, so we're probably anticipating it around here. Could be been and done already. Could be here, and we're just breaking out of 2 into 3. Could be. Either way, we've been on the right side of it. I need to wait for another entry. USD CAD. This is a tricky dicky one. Beautiful pattern it treated us beforehand. Look at that, level 1, level 2, gave us a peak, and now pulling away for a retest. 1, 2, 3, pretty clear. Downtrend still, not sure when to consider that one again. But either way, let's look at some of these other bits and bobs. Not too sure on UJ. Wall Street, it's just super strong. We've got an ABCD to complete up there. We've basically recovered the nasty falls of Trump's tariffs. Tech 100, NASDAQ, again, for me, that looks higher. It does look higher. This is a 1, this is a 2, and this is a 3. Higher, but maybe not. I don't know. Has it got another push? Is this a 1? Is this a 2? And we're going to blast higher? Difficult to tell. S&P 500, similar sort of thing. Perfect retest, break and retest back to the highs. What are you going to do at the highs? You tell me. Market will tell us what to do at the highs. FTSE 100, same sort of thing. This is a massive level 1, making higher highs and higher lows. Higher prices to come. Simple as that. Germany, berserk mode. I mean, it's just gone berserk. I can't even look at that easily. Bitcoin, trying to do something. We've got 1, 2. Is it going to give us more? We're definitely in the final throws. 1, 2. Is it going to be a ridiculous explosion higher? We'll wait and see. I wish the same could be said for Stellar, but Stellar is still dogging it down at the lows. Folks, there you have it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. If any of you are interested in trading the signals or getting a free trial to the signals, please drop me a DM or visit the X handle, Synergy Signals. You'll find a link there to sign up as well. If any of you are interested in being involved in an open forum where you can send your own ideas to do with harmonics and pick up from people that have moved across, I do have a number of people from the Signals group in my personal chat. The personal chat's called Melons Trade. It's my surname. And it's away from the regulatory stuff, and it's more educational based than just signals. So do let me know if you want to join. Send me a DM at Synergy Signals or at Melons Trade, and we'll add you to that. And any of you who are interested in learning the methodology, same thing, drop me a line. I wish you a great, and I'll catch you Monday. Thanks for watching. Cheers.